Enlargement is a C or B grade GCSE topic. And for you to enlarge something, first thing you need to know is the scale factor. That is, how many times bigger you need it. In this case, 2 times bigger. You also need a centre enlargement. In a GCSE exam, this is normally given as a coordinate. First you want to draw ray lines. With your ruler, draw a line from the centre enlargement through point A. Unfortunately, because this is a touch pad, I can't use a ruler. So I am just going to, give you a rough idea. Then from the centre enlargement through point B, again you would use a ruler and draw a straight line. Centre enlargement through D, and finally centre enlargement through C. These are your ray lines, and they are important because they are a quick double check. They let us know that we have our image in the right position. Now I can do one of two things. I can either, from my centre enlargement, count the number of squares to A. I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up and 1 to the right. And because it's twice as large, I know I don't want to go 5 up, 1 to the right, but I want to go 10 up and 2 to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up, 1, 2 to the right. And had my ray line been drawn straight, it would have gone through that point. Going to B, I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across to the right. So 5 up, 5 right, double that, twice as large. It's 10 up and 10 to the right. So 10 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the right. We can repeat this with the other 2 points, D and C. D, 1, 2, 3 up, 1 to the right. So it's 6 up and 2 to the right, and C should be just here, right. And we can draw the new image, call it image, and I can quickly check because the original was 1, 2, 3, 4 across the top and 2 down the side, and the new one is now 8 across and 4 down the side. It is twice as large as the original. So I'm happy with my answer. A B grade question might say scale factor of -2. This time, minus sign means we have to swap the direction. So from the centre enlargement to point D, I've moved 1, 2, 3 to the left. Now for my image, I'm going to go back to the centre enlargement and now move 1, 2, 3 to the right. Wait a minute. That would work if it was -1. This is -2, so it's not 3 to the right, it's 4, 5, 6 to the right. Let's try this with the others. C, I go on 1, 2, 3 up and 1 to the left. So now I want not 3 but 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and not 1 to the left but 2 to the right. 1 point there. Let's try B. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So that's 4 up, so that must be 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down. And not 3 to the left, but 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's in line with D, that's what I want. Let's try again. To A, we want to go 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So we want to go 6 down, 3 and 3 is 6, and 10 to the right. So 6 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we are. This is our new object, or our image. And if we look at the image, it's not only twice the size, but it is flipped over. And that is what happens when we have a negative scale factor. With a factor of 1/2, our image should get smaller. Pause the video and have a go yourself. So to get to D, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 and 4. It now becomes 4 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. There we are. Point 1. And do this with each point in turn. Having plotted each of the points, we can, join them up. And we notice that our image is half the size of the original object. If we don't have a grid, we can use our rulers to measure the distance from the centre enlargement to each point. And in this particular case, because it's to the -1, we would have to go in the opposite direction, the same distance. You could be asked to find the centre of enlargement given the object and the image. So the first thing you do is you line up 2 points. Point A of the object and A of the image, and draw a ray line through it. You can then find points B on the object and the image, and again you can draw a ray line through it. So you would be using a ruler. Unfortunately I can't because this is a touch screen, excuse me. And where the points cross, that is your centre enlargement. Good luck. I hope this helps you to successfully complete the worksheet.